Our project is a simulation of a facility alarm that when under a certain condition would cause the lights and alarm to turn on as a depiction that it is signaling for an error in the system.
Alarm consists of light bulbs and buzzer connected in a parallel circuit, and a single bulb is connected to a different circuit along with a relay whereby in the single bulb is lit, the alarm does not go off.
As a further explanation to how the circuit works, the single bulb and the relay are connected to a two 9-volt DC batteries. The relay is kept connected directly to the battery while the bulb is activated through a switch where if the switch is on, the relay won't activate and the bulb will.
When the relay is activated, it connects the switch of the other circuit to a power source, so the alarm will then go off, activating the parallel line bulb or buzzer, making the simulation of the alarm. Here is a demonstration of how it works.